How to deposit money in bet365. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can deposit money in bet365. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. To deposit money into your bet365 account, it is a relatively simple process. You go to bet365.com or download the bet365 app, and you'll simply log into your account by clicking the login button from the top right and enter your username and password to log into your account. Once you log into your account, navigate to the bank or deposit section, which will usually be on the top right hand side of the screen. When you've done that, select your preferred payment method. That could be debit card, net teller, Skrill, etc. Entering your payment details and the desired deposit amount as well, and once you've done that, confirm and complete the transaction. And this way you'll be able to deposit money into your bet365 account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.